answer questions about. Okay, so that's your homework for today. And it's going to be due tomorrow. So tomorrow, November 13th is when this is due. Okay, so I want to show you kind of what it looks like, and then give you a little bit of time to get yourself, make sure you have this in Notability and make sure that you understand what you're doing. So let me pull it up here. So it looks like this. And originally when I first pulled this up, it had everything clicked on it. This is the impacts up here. So the first direction I gave you is to unclick all of the impacts, but if it's already unclicked, like it's already looks like this for you, then you don't have to obviously unclick it. And then it's going to ask you to click on things and notice and describe what it added to the image. Okay, so the first one asks you to click on the atmosphere, and it says, what did that add to the image? So you're going to describe this addition that got added. And then it asks you to click on the graphs at the bottom. And when you click on those, it opens up a little reading, a little dialogue about the graphs. So I ask you questions about the graphs, but then also some of the answers come from reading this description up here. Okay, so you're gonna, some of the questions you'll find up in the reading. And then it'll ask you to unclick that one and to click on another one. So you're gonna go through and just play around with this biointeractive and learn a little bit about what has been some human impacts on our planet. So that is your assignment for the day. I know we have 15 more minutes. So I was thinking what we can do is you can kind of get started on that. And then if you have any questions getting yourself started, you can ask. And then if you feel like I'm good, I'm ready to roll, then we can release you a little early. But before we go, Mr. Austin and I are going to ask that you fill in an attendance sheet each day. And
Okay.
in that attendance sheet,
Bring your iPad.
Mute yourself, Mr. Austin. In that attendance sheet, it's a Google form. There's also an exit ticket attached to it. So that's how we're going to mark you present. And also I want you to take some time to fill in something that you learned today and what questions you might have. So if you feel like I've got this assignment, it's in Notability, I know exactly what I'm doing, then you can fill out the attendance sheet and go work on your assignment. But if you're like, I have no idea what's going on, where's this assignment? How do I write on this document? Then please do stick around and we can make sure that you know what you need to do right now. Okay. So I'm going to stop sharing this and I'm actually going to share my screen. I did have somebody ask me, where do we write our answers? So I want to make sure you guys know. And then in Notability, this is where you can click on that. You can click on the link and it will open it in Safari. So you might have to split screen. You're going to probably have to split screen the bio interactive and your homework assignment. And then you're going to just write your answers right on Notability. So for the student who didn't know where to write your answers, you're doing that right on Notability. So, oh, weird. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat, or you can unmute yourself and ask. And Mr. Austin put the exit ticket in the chat. So you see that, please click on this link for you to fill out for today's attendance. That includes the exit ticket for today. I'm writing my answer to the first one. All right. Yeah. So if you don't have any questions, you completely understand what you need to do for tonight. You have this in Notability, you're ready to go, then you can take these last 9 minutes of class to go work on your assignment. It's due tomorrow. If you do have questions, please stay on and ask, and make sure that you fill out that attendance sheet / exit ticket before you go.